Jawad and Ali were best friends. They were shopkeepers. They used to sell clothes in a big market. Jawad was dishonest and treated his customers badly. He also charged them more for substandard goods. On the contrary, Ali was honest and he treated his customers with respect. Ali often advised his friend to be fair in his dealings. But Jawad always replied, "Everyone is dishonest in this world. You are still poor, because you don't know how to get more money from the customers. Look at me. I have become richer than you in just 2 years." Ali would say, "No, you are mistaken. You'll be punished for your dishonesty, and then you will realize your mistake." Jawad always ignored his advice. One day, a client came and began yelling at Jawad for the substandard items that he had provided at a hefty cost. Jawad pushed him outside his shop and told him to mind his own business. "I do not have a return policy." Ali treated him nicely and all his anger vanished. The rich customer bought some pieces of clothes from Ali. He was so pleased with the product's quality that he became a regular customer of Ali's shop. Gradually, all the customers moved from Jawad's shop to Ali's shop. While Ali's business began to flourish, Jawad hardly ever made any sales. Ali's clients were very pleased with him. He bought another shop, and his business grew tremendously. One day, Jawad's store abruptly caught fire. Everything in the shop had burned, and there was nothing left. Jawad suffered a significant setback. He cried, but it was of no use. Ali approached him, patted his shoulder, and said, "Look, what I used to say. It's the aftermath of your dishonest ways." Jawad wept. He realized that honest people may not win at first, but victory always graces them in the end.